Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the digital tsunami of information that threatens to drown you daily? What if I told you there's a system to tame this beast, leverage its power, and in the process, build a second brain? Stick around as we dive deep into the captivating concepts of building a second brain. This is Page Turners Book Café, where every page turned unveils a world of knowledge. 1. The overload problem. In our digital age, the rapid accumulation of information has most of us on edge. From emails to PDFs, online courses to social media posts, the torrent of information is ceaseless. This digital clutter doesn't just exhaust our minds but also hinders our creativity and productivity. Building a Second Brain. A book that promises to be your guide to decluttering, organizing, and harnessing this information deluge. 2. What is a second brain? Author Tiago Forte introduces the concept of a second brain, a systematic external space, primarily digital, where you can collect, process, and review your ideas, inspirations, and notes. It's not just about storage but about making your information actionable. Think of it as an extended mind, a digital partner that complements your biological brain, helping you to think better, come up with innovative ideas, and reduce the mental load. 3. The P.A.R.A. method. Central to this system is the P.A.R.A. method. Standing for projects, areas, resources, and archives, this method presents an actionable way to categorize and organize your digital information. 1. Projects. Specific tasks or initiatives that have a defined outcome and endpoint. These could be short-term tasks like plan a birthday party, or more extended projects like write a novel. 2. Areas. These are spheres of activity that have standards to be maintained over time but don't have an endpoint. They include ongoing responsibilities and areas of your life, like health, career, or personal development. 3. Resources. Collections of material or themes that you reference regularly but aren't directly actionable. Examples could be digital marketing articles, favorite recipes, or book summaries. 4. Archives. Information that isn't immediately relevant but could be useful in the future. Old projects, notes from past courses, or any other information that you don't need right now but don't want to delete. It's not just about categorizing, but understanding and arranging information in a way that aligns with your goals. 4. Tapping into creativity. A fascinating aspect of Forte's second brain system is its emphasis on creativity. By organizing your digital notes and resources effectively, you free up cognitive space. This isn't just about being more efficient, it's about unlocking your latent creativity, allowing those eureka moments to happen more frequently. 5. The beauty of collaboration. Another gem from the book is the emphasis on collaboration. In this age of interconnectedness, our second brain isn't an isolated entity. By sharing our resources, insights, and notes, we can tap into collective intelligence, leading to accelerated learning and innovation. 6. Taking effective notes. How do you ensure that the information you save today remains relevant in the future? The author introduces the concept of evergreen notes. These are notes that are continuously refined and built upon, so they remain pertinent and provide value in the long run. It's about growing your knowledge, not just storing it. So, do we really need a second brain? In a world where the difference between success and stagnation might just be the speed and efficiency with which we process and utilize information, having a second brain might not be a luxury, but a necessity. Dive into Building a Second Brain and discover a roadmap to not only manage the digital onslaught but thrive in it. And there you have it, our deep dive into the world of efficient information management and cognitive creativity. If this resonates with you, consider grabbing a copy and making that digital brain of yours even smarter. If you want to order this book, just click on the link given in description or in pinned comment. Stay curious, stay creative, and remember, there's always magic in turning the page. Keep reading and keep discovering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.